Hello, good evening, students. Now, today we are going to understand the Heisenberg. Okay, student. Heisenberg uncertainty principle, student. Okay. So this is the video quality is not good, student. That I am sorry for that because I have taken the screenshot, but mobile camera is not good. So you try to understand anyhow. I will write this all things. So Heisenberg uncertainty principle. What is they are saying? Student, they are saying that is if any moving particle is there, student, if it is the moving particle is there, it is moving with the velocity v, right? It is moving with the velocity v. So what is happening, it is they are saying, Heisenberg is saying it is impossible to measure, okay, exact position. Suppose it is position is dx is there, okay, an exact position and exact momentum. It is impossible to measure exact position and exact momentum of the moving electron simultaneously. That you keep in mind. It is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum of electron. So again you read out, it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum of electron. For example, this is the, there will be the delta x is there, student, means change in the position, and here is delta p is there, change in momentum. It is always greater than equal to h upon 4 pi, means it is going to be not going to be the constant, it is going to be always changed, means you cannot determine the exact position and momentum of the moving electron. Or this can be also mentioned as delta x into m delta v, okay, equal to greater than equal to h upon 4 pi. This is what is the second point, student. Okay, this is means exact position and velocity of electron is not possible. Now this you can write, that is delta x into delta v greater than equal to h by 4 pi m. So this is also, you are not able to determine the exact position and momentum of a moving electron, students. See, delta x is uncertainty is position, delta p is uncertainty in momentum, delta v uncertainty in velocity, m is mass of the moving particle, and h is the Planck constant. So this is all about our required description, student. So let's have a look over the problem, students. What is there? Then a microscopic, okay, microscopic using suitable photons to one microscopic particle is there, student. Okay, it is taking the suitable photon is employed to locate an electron in the atoms. So with the energy you are locating the electron in the atom within a distance of 0.1 angstrom. What is the uncertainty involved in the measurement of the velocity? So they are saying that is the, this is what is that is the distance from nucleus is 0.1 angstrom, students. This is, and here is the velocity v is there, this is position is x. So what is the formula? Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x into delta p greater than equal to h by 4 pi. Ab delta p means what, student? M delta v, m delta v. So at the delta p you are putting that is m delta v, this is point. Ab they are saying uncertainty in velocity, they are asking what is the uncertainty involved in the measurement of the velocity. This is there, right? So delta v is equal to h upon 4 pi m delta x, right? Now student, here h value is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, and here is what is that 4 is there, pi value is what, 3.14, multiply by what is that is uncertainty in position, how much, 0.1 into 10 की power minus 10 meter. You have converted into angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to what, 10 की power minus 10 meter. And what is there? Then mass of electron, how much, student? 9.1 into 10 power 31 kg. So if you are solving, student, it is coming, the value is coming, you see its value is coming, delta v is coming, student, direct value 5.797 into 10 की power 6 meter per second. This is our required answer, student. This is our required answer. So thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment, students.